tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they bubble.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this wig, of course. This wig is provided by Wiggins Hair. I think I talked to you guys at the start of the video. I just didn't show you guys what came in the packaging because I actually didn't get anything in the packaging, but it did come in this satin bag, silk bag, to store your wig. So that's really good. I mean, I would have preferred if it came with, like, you know, a wig brush or whatever the case is, but it did not come with anything today. But the wig itself is very beautiful. As you can see, the lace is undetectable. I am going to show you guys up close, but today I'm showing you guys this detailed edges tutorial and also how I got this hairstyle, because I feel like if you're doing like a plain black hair, at least make the hairstyle interesting, right? So today I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did to get this hairstyle and how to do your edges in depth. I actually took my time on this video, so if you do like it, don't forget to thumbs up this video and leave me a comment down below because it really helps my channel. And yeah, I think I'm going to do like a separate channel, just like doing like little vlogs and DIYs and stuff. But let me know if you guys want to see that. Let's get right into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hair video, of course. I'm also gonna have some other videos too, but just stay tuned to my channel. I just want to add a little bit more things to it. But today's video is my Wiggins hair. I've actually had this hair for quite some time and I finally decided to put it on. And just because I have a lot of detailed tutorials on my channel, today I'm going to show you guys how to do your edges effortlessly, but it's going to be very detailed. First things first, I want to let you guys know I did go ahead and pluck this wig. It looks like this. I'm not sure if it's body wave or straight. I think it's body wave, so today I'm going to curl it. But first thing I'm going to do is hot comb the hairline. As you can see, inside the wig is two different colors because I did bleach the front of this. If you guys want an updated bleaching tutorial, I can talk you guys through this. This is going to help anybody that's having trouble, anybody that wants to learn how to properly do your edges. This is going to help you. So once you're cutting on the line of your ear, you'll simply be able to just like move it behind your ear and it should lay nice and seamless. Now I'm just going to cut the lace down so I'll be able to see properly, because I don't cut all the lace off once the wig is a new wig. Brush the hair out of the way, and this is also going to take away any loose hairs from you cutting the ear tabs. I'm using the Ebon Black Lace Spray, and I'm going to spray 3 layers of this, making sure that it's tacky each layer. So just spray 1 thin layer, use your fingers to smooth it out and make sure that it's not falling onto your face. And then I'm going to use cool air from my blow dryer. Oh, I'm telling you, 3 layers. Use cool air for about a minute, and then I'm using some water just to wash off the sticky residue off of my hands. And I have 3 layers. I did not show you guys every 3 layer, but I did put 3 layers. I'm gently going to push this onto the, I'm going to push the lace into the adhesive. And then I just give it a little bit of tension, and I'm going to blow it on cool air again, just so it kind of has a little sticking action. And then I'm going to tie it down. So I just put it out of the way because I don't like frustrating myself. So I clip it up, and then I'm going to tie it down with this elastic band. I got this in one of the wig packages. They've been setting this recently, so I'm not sure like when you buy a wig if it comes with it. But I did leave this on for 10 minutes. I put a timer on my phone every single time because the packaging says to leave it for 10 minutes. I'm cutting these slits just so it'll be easier for me to cut off the lace. And I'm using an eyebrow razor to give the lace a jagged cut. your lace is looking like this, it should have this crusty line at the front because I did not add any foundation to the lace. I'm spraying the same Ebin spray on the back of my foundation packaging, and I'm using my finger just to press it into the front of the lace, and this is going to help for it to be invisible. Going back in with some cool air and then tying it down for 5 minutes. It should look like this and be stuck to your skin. And then I'm using the comb side of the edge brush because it's really tiny, and I'm just gently lifting up the hair from being stuck onto the lace. You want to make sure that this is lifted up, especially if you're doing baby hairs. You want to make sure this is lifted. So now I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 14. And I'm using this just to blend in that line of demarcation. You can add a little bit of 15, like a darker one, but I didn't want to do that. And then I did my makeup. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for my makeup video. This is more of like a natural makeup look if you're into that. Right now, I'm just taking out like a C shape right by my eyebrow area. So you can see I did measure from the start of my brow. And that's going to be my temple baby hair. And then right at the tip of my brow, I'm doing another C. And then my sideburn is another C. So basically, that's like your rubric. You're doing 3 C's, 1 big C, and then 2 small C's. And just make sure that you don't have too much for the sideburn because it's going to look weird. Then you're going to hot comb the hair back and out of the way. And you want to hot comb the edges going forward. Take your time with this because I did burn myself like before, not today. But I burned myself before on multiple occasions. So take your time when you're doing this. Then I'm going to go in with the same Ruby Kisses color 14. And put that in between that area so it can give me a skin-like effect. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side. Once you complete this step, you're going to go in with the same eyebrow razor and just jaggedly, just like cut the hair, like anyhow, because you want it to be messy. You don't want it to be perfect. I'm using my tweezers just to take out some of the hair. That's going to give it more of a natural look, but you don't want to take out too much because then it's just going to look bald. I'm using my Red by Kiss 3/4 flat iron. I'm going to link everything I'm using in my description box. So just check my description box if you're interested in any of these products that I'm using. And I'm just curling the hair facing forward. If I want like more of a wispy edges look, I put it facing upwards. But I want more of a fluffy, like in place edges look. So I'm doing it going under. So now I'm going in with the Gorilla Snot. I'm putting that at the back of an applicator. And I'm taking this edge brush. I'm taking the eyebrow razor and I'm cutting down the edges a little bit because it's a little too long. And now I'm going to apply the Gorilla Snot right to the roots. You want to put it to the roots because when you're brushing it through, it's going to go down the hair anyways. And you can see I'm using my finger to help mold the hair. The comb is guiding it and shaping it, but the finger is molding it down so it can stay in place. So just watch what I'm doing. It's pretty self-explanatory. You could do this anyhow you like. This is just what I decided to do today. So you could follow along with me or just like use tips from this to do your own edges. Make sure you blow it on high heat. You want the heat to be hot so it can blast it in place.
Oh yeah, I don't need no runway, mommy, 'cause you look too good to be walking by me. 'Cause I need you to stay still so you can see how it feels. I know you like a man with his shit together, so don't be crazy, girl, I know you know better. But I won't judge, girl, you can say what you want. I know you want it as bad as I do, so don't you front. So let's get together, baby, and run away. I know it sounds crazy if we run away. Just you and me against the world, whatever you like, babe. I know you love it if we run away.
Okay, and this is how the hair is looking. I really didn't like that it had two swoops by my eyebrows, so I just went ahead and pushed this one back.
Baby, I know it takes time, and I don't mind, but I need mine, baby. Couple shots in, know you little wavy. Got your ex.
And now I'm just gonna blow it, and then it's time to style this hair. So I didn't know what style I was gonna do, so I decided to do like the two parts and then do two cornrows. So make sure that you flatten down those two parts so you'll be able to see them, and then flatten out the top piece going side to side and then straight back. And this is just gonna give you an idea of how to do it. Then I'm gonna part it because I'm doing two small cornrows to mimic like a part so you can see it even more. And this is not a cornrow tutorial. I don't know how to do a cornrow tutorial, so just watch the rubric for the hairstyle.
Hey, baby, I know you love it if we run away. Run away.
Once you have those two cornrows, I'm going to go ahead and take out these two little squares right on top the baby hair because I want to do some twist right there. So I just part that out, and then I'm going to hot comb it down so it could stay out of the way and in place how I want it to be. My Erickaj wax stick, and I'm gonna put that right on every part of the hair that is not braided. Then just hot comb that down exactly how I want it to be. I want it to be directly at the back of my head, so I'm hot combing it in that direction. My Afro G styling wrap, and I'm using this to twist the hair so that it's not going to be having any little flyaways or nothing. It's just going to be right in place how I want it to be. Got to be, this is going to be your best friend, because just like you're doing a ponytail and you want the ponytail to be molded, that's exactly what we're going for. So I'm gonna put that on the hair, and then I'm gonna blow it on high heat, and just make sure that it's nice and detangled, because once you mold this down, you cannot go back. And I don't know why I was talking to myself this whole video. Even though I had the AC on, I felt like I was talking to you guys, so that's why my mouth is moving. But I'm just spraying it on, I'm spraying the got to be on each side. And then I'm just blowing it on high heat just to have it in the direction that I want to put my ponytail. I just just parted directly at the back of my head, and I'm holding a good amount of hair. Like, the hair that's just hanging at the bottom is not even a lot of hair. Most of the hair is in this ponytail. So I double my ponytail and just make sure it's nice and smooth. So that's why you see me passing my hand over and over again, because I'm trying to make sure that it's nice and smooth. And then once I have it, I go ahead and just apply the ponytail holder. Applying a little bit more got-to-be and then hitting it with some hot air. And then you should get something like this. This is basically the end look, but I then was like, something is missing. So I decided to put some curls in it. I'm just using my interchangeable curling wand, and I'm just hot combing just the roots a little bit so it could be a little bit straight, because I just wanted the ends to be curly. So I sectioned the hair into 2 parts, and I'm just curling literally the ends of the hair. And then I just do that to all the hair. So I maybe curled like 6 sections, because I curled 2 sections for the ponytail, 4 sections for the ponytail, and then I just curled 2 sections in the back of my head. And if you made it this far, thumbs up this video for this quality. I finally learned how to upload my video in 4K, and it's giving quality. So thumbs up this video if you're enjoying the quality so far. So now I'm gonna go ahead and curl the ends. I did not apply any hairspray or anything to this wig before or after curling, and the curls are holding up pretty well, so that's good. And this is how the hair turned out. It's super pretty. I enjoyed it. So now I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit. I am curling those 2 little pieces, just the ends, with my same flat iron that I curl my edges with. But that was basically the end of this look. So I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit and then do a little montage so you guys can really see the hairstyle. But I'm just using the hot comb to press down these twists, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the hair turned out. Super, super pretty. This is how the ends look. And I did end up adding a little bit of this Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil to the hair, just a little bit. I normally use this in my Tropic Touches hair, which is my company's hair, but I use it because it helps the hair to retain like its health, because I really put the hair through things. But yeah, I did add it to this hair today, and it makes it really nice and silky and smooth. It was already silky and smooth, but I love what it does to this hair. And you can see I did not put any holding spray in this hair, and the curls are still there. So this is how the hairstyle turned out. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. So yeah, I hope you guys like this, and if this video was easy to follow, if you are gonna follow this video, make sure you send me your pictures or just send me a video on Instagram. I respond to people. Like, I might take a little while, but I do respond because I don't go on Instagram too much. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Wiggins hair. I will have their details in my description box as always, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.